Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Hello there. Good evening. Oh, yeah. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, yeah. Okay. So tonight, we will talk about... Okay, by the way, are you ready? Are you ready, Hoy? Are you ready? Okay, try to see. Let's talk about the different farm animals. Okay, can you say that? Farm animals. Alright. Okay, can you say farm animals? Farm animals. Can you say that? Okay. Farm animals. Again, louder. Farm. Farm animals. Okay. Oh, those are farm animals. Try ML. Okay, so this one. Let's sing a song first. Is it okay? Yeah. Let's sing a song first. All right. Okay, I want you to listen and watch the video. Okay? There. Try to look at the video and watch it.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. What does a cow say? Meow. Oink. Moo. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. What does a horse say? Woof woof. Moo. Neigh. With a neigh-neigh here and a neigh-neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh-neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. What does a pig say? Quack? Tweet tweet? Oink? With an oink oink here and an oink oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a sheep, E-I-E-I-O. What does a sheep say? Cluck cluck?
Cluck, cluck.
Oink? Ba? With a ba-ba here and a ba-ba there. Here a ba, there a ba, everywhere a ba-ba. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O. What does a duck say? Meow? Moo? Quack quack? With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a rooster, E-I-E-I-O. What does a rooster say? Ribbit? Meow? Cock-a-doodle-doo? With a cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doodle-doo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay, so what are those farm animals you can see there? You know what's this? What's this, Hoy? What's that? That is a what this? This one, you see this
Bear.
one? This one is a sheep. Okay, what's that?
Sheep.
It is a sheep. Okay, again, what's that? Sheep. Okay, how about this one? What's this one, Hoy? What's beside the sheep? Nakamil ka? That one. What's that? Okay, betul. Okay. Okay, what's that? What's the next? That is a cow. Again, what's that? Cow. Cow. Can you say that? Oh, that's a cow. How about this one? That's very cute cat. You know what's that? Pig. It's a pig. You know what is a pig? Oh, that's a pig. Okay? Pig. All right, that is a pig. So tonight we will learn about the different farm animals. Okay? What's that, Hoy? That's moving. What's that
Duck.
moving? Oh, it's a duck. Try to see. Look. Try to see it. Seriously, it's a duck? This one. You see what's
Duck.
that? That is a dog.
Dog.
Dog. Again?
Dog.
Dog. Oh, good job. Okay, how will you spell a dog? How will you spell a dog? D. D. Okay. Try.
D-O-G.
Very good. Dog. D-O-G. How about, can you write dog here? Can you write the spelling? Okay, hi. Can you write the spell? Copy this one here. Copy this one below. Can you copy that? Okay. Can you copy the dog below? Okay. Dog. Can you copy the dog below? Try to copy the dog here below. Okay. Okay. D-O-G. Write it below. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. Go high. Okay. Dog.
Dog.
Oh, yeah. Okay, try to write there. Okay, try right there. Dog here. D-O-G. Can you write? You write here like this one, huh? Look at teacher. Okay, this one. D. You just need to copy. You just need to copy it. Okay?
D-O-G.
You write D. Copy that. D-O-G. Can you do that? Okay. I'll erase mine. Can you do that one? It's a big. Okay. O G. D O G. Thì này. D O G. Okay. Oh, that's dog. Very good. How about this one? What is that one? Hi. You know what's that? That is a... What's that? Okay. What do you think is that, Toy? That, oh, cat.
Cat.
Okay. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Okay. C-A-T. Again. Cat. Oh, cat. Wow. Okay. I want you to write the word cat here. Can you copy the word cat? C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Cat. Cat. Okay. Can you copy the word cat? Okay. Come on, hon. C-A-T. Cat. C-A-T. Oh, yeah. Okay, that is a cat. Okay, can you copy it there? Cat.
Con học bài đi. Đang tương tác trực tiếp với cô giáo.
Okay. Okay, this is cat. All right. How about this one here?
Cow.
That one, Hoy. You know what's that, Hoy? Eating a grass. Okay, that is a
Cow.
cow. Again, cow. 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 C-O-W. Can you do that? C-O.
C-O-W.
Oh, very good. That is a cow. How about this one? You know what is that, Hoy? That is a... What's that?
Duck.
Oh, duck.
Duck.
Oh, duck. Again, duck. Okay, again, can you say it again? Duck.
Duck.
Oh, how will you spell duck? D-U-C-K. D-U-C-K. Very good. That is a duck. Very good. Okay. How about that one? That's very fat.
Pig.
Pig. Again, that is a pig. Again, what's that?
Pig.
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 Pig. Oh, that's a pig. Okay. So let's try. How will you spell a pig? P-I-G. Again, pig. P-I-G. Pig. Okay. Can you say that? Pig. P-I-G. Pig.
G.
Oh, that's pig. Okay. Wow, very good. Okay. How about that one? What is that? That is a... What's that? Flying, flying, flying. What is that? That is a hen.
Hen.
Hen. Can you say it? Okay, I want you to write the word hen. 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 Can you say Hen, hen, hen. Hen, hen,
hen,
hen.
hen.
Okay, that is a hen. Again, what is that? Hen.
Hen.
Oh, very good. Teacher will give you a lot of stamps. Oh, good job, Hi. Very good. Okay, so that is a hen. So this time, let's have some review. Okay, Hi? All right. Yes, Hi. Look at here. What's that again? That one is a
Duck.
1, 2.
Dog.
Oh, that one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Duck.
That one.
Cat.
Ah, that one. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cow.
Ah, good job. How about this one? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Duck.
Duck. That one. 5, 4, 3, 2.
Pig.
Ah, very good. Last one. What's that? What's this? Try to see what is that. That is a 5, 4, 3.
Hen.
Hen. Okay, that is a hen. Very good. That's a hen. Okay, let's have this one. What animal is it? It is a... What animal is it, Hoy?
It is a pig.
Very good. How will you spell pig? P. Wow. Very good. How many stars you like? Yes, Hoy, since you spell it very clear. How many stars you like? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 stars. Very good. How about this one? What's that? Do you like, what's that?
Duck.
Oh, duck. Can you write duck? D, 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 d,
Duck.
duck. Okay, how will you spell duck? D, U, C, K, H. D, U, C, K. Okay? D,
Hey.
U. Oh, can you write it here also? Can you write there? Okay? Can you write it?
Yes.
Okay. Go high. Okay. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. What don't? It's not okay. You don't like dogs. All right. How about this? What does the dog say? Is it woof woof? Is it woof woof? All right. So this time, you know what is this? This time, I want you to look and read and try to put a number. Can you do that? Okay, look at this. Look at the first one here. You know, a cow. What number is a cow? This one is a dog. Okay. What animal is that, Hoy? That is a
Duck.
5. Dog. How about this one? What's this? A
Duck.
cat. 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 Again, cat.
Cat.
Oh, that's a cat. How about this one? That is a pig. Okay, what's that? That is a pig. Okay?
It is a pig.
Okay, that is a pig. How about this one here? What is that? That is a, what's that? Okay, what's this? That is a duck. Duck. Okay, what is that? That is a duck. Okay, duck. Okay, hi,
Duck.
look at this one. Look at here. Look at here. Okay, very good. Try to see. Try to look at the screen. This one is a, what's this? That is a pig. Again, what's this? Pig.
It is a pig.
Okay, very good. This time,
This
I want
is
you
just a cow.
I want you to write numbers. You write numbers inside the circle. Okay, you write numbers inside the circle. Cow. What number is cow? This is number 1. Okay, you see the dog is number 1. The cat is number 2. The cow is number 3. The cat is number 4. I mean, the duck is number 4. The pig is number 5. Can you see that? What number? Okay, hi. Look at this one. Look at here. Hello, hi. Look at here. Look at there. What number is the dog? Number 1. Okay. How about the cat? What number is the cat? Number
Number 2.
very good, very bright. How about the cow? What number is the cow? Number
3.
very good. How about the duck? What number is the duck? Number
4.
very good. You're so brilliant. Lastly, number. How about the pig? What number is the pig?
Is
The
5.
very good. So this time, I want you to write the numbers inside the circle. Can you do that? Cow.
Yes.
What number is cow? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? So, na dog ko naman. Sa yung kwarto. Sa yung kwarto. Okay. Cow. So what number is a cow? Number 3. Can you write 3 inside the circle? Oh, you write 3 inside the circle. Can you write 3 inside the circle? Okay. You write it. Can you write there? Write 3 in here. You put 3 like that. Can you do that? Can you do that, huh? Okay. I'll erase mine. I want you to write yours there. Okay. You write 3 inside the circle. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
You write 3 there. You write 3. Okay. Just do like that. Just do na lang, draw lines. Cow is there. Can you draw lines? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, I'll erase mine. I want you to show it, okay? Okay, go. All right. Okay, you draw lines. Okay, good job. How about this one? Can you read this word? All right. Try to read this one. What is that? That
Dog.
is a dog. What number is a dog? And where is the dog there?
1.
Ah, very good. How about this one? What's this? That is a
Pig.
Oh, there's a pig, and where is the pig there? I cannot see. Where is the pig? Where is the pig now? Oh, wow. Great. How about a cat? Can you read this one? A cat. Again. A cat.
Cat.
Louder. Say it aloud. A cat. A cat. 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 Okay. A cat. Oh yeah, that is a cat. So where is the cat? There. The cat is everywhere. Okay, where is it? Cat. Okay. Where is the cat? Can you draw a line? Where is it? Teacher cannot see it. I don't know. Where is it? Where is it? Hi. Oh, yeah. Okay, there you are. Ah, where is that? I cannot still see the cat. Oh, yeah, the cat is hiding somewhere. Oh, what do you think? Okay. Oh, can you draw a line? Where is the cat? I don't see it where. You see that? Okay. Cat is. Okay, that's the one. How about the last one? A duck. Where is a duck? Where is a duck there? Okay. Duck. Oh, yeah. You see, where is the dog? Okay, the dog is there. Okay, good job. How many stars you like? I have here a lot of stamps. Oh, many stamps. Because you're so very good tonight. Okay, good job. So there you are. How about this one? Okay, find the missing letters. Oh, cat. What is the missing letter of the word cat? C blank T. Cat. Cat. You know what is it? Can you write there? Cat. What letter is the missing? What letter is missing there? Okay, what letter is missing? That is letter. Oh, try to see what letter is missing. Letter. Oh, try to see. Letter K. Cat. What letter is that? Is it A or E? Okay. Look at that one. What word, what letter is missing? A or E? Okay. Okay, so that is A or E? A or E? What you gonna write? Oh, can you write it here? Try to write it between. Can you write it? Is it A or E? All right.
A.
Go. Oh, try to write it there or encircle it. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh, that's A. Okay, very good. Very good. How about this word? What is this? What is that farm animal there? What word is missing? Okay. O-W or A-W? O or ow? C-O-W or C-A-W?
O-W.
Oh, can you encircle your answer? Okay. Try to encircle. Wow, good job. That's correct. Okay, very good. All right. How about this one? You know what's this? Okay, try to look at that one. What's this one? That is a that is a what's that? That is a oh, I don't know what's that. Okay, what word what letters is missing? Is it O-G or A-G? Okay. O-G or A-G?
A-G.
Oh, A-G? Dog.
O-G.
Oh, can you encircle your answer? Oh, try to encircle your answer. Can you do that? Oh, yeah, that is, oh, you just encircle it. Dog. Okay, can you say, all right, very good. Again, what is that? That is a dog. Again, that is a dog.
It's a dog.
Okay, louder. Can you say it aloud? Dog. Okay, how about this one? What is this one? Okay, what's that one? All right, hi. Look at in my screen. Try to see and look at my screen. Oh, quack, quack, quack. They will do like say that one. That animal will say like that. What's that? That is a duck. Again, what's that? Duck. Okay, what word is it? Is it U-C-K is the missing or A-C-K?
Jew.
Oh, can you encircle which one is your answer there? Can you encircle it? Oh, very, very good. Hi. Very good. How about this very little, very, very cute? You see that's so cute? It's very cute and it's so fat. You know what is that? That is I know what's that? Oh, what's that, Hoy? That is oh, I don't know what's that. That is oh, not that. That is okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I don't know that. That is a pig. Okay. And the last one, what's this? Look at the last one. Okay. Try to see. This one is a hen. Can you say that? Hen. Hen.
Hen.
Okay, louder. Hen. Hen. Oh yeah, very. Can you say it aloud? Hen. Okay, so teacher will check your answer. Okay, check for cat. Okay, cat. Cat. Try to open your mouth very, very wide.
Cat.
Cat. Cow.
A. Cat. Cow. Dog. Quack.
Okay. Quack. D. Duck.
Yeah.
Again, what's that? Okay, that is a duck. How about this one? This one is a pig. Okay, that is a, what is this? That is a pig. Mm. Pig. Again, what's this? Pig. Okay, and hen. All right. Okay. So let's play. Can we play? Okay, ready? Let's
Yes.
play here. What this? That is a, can you close it?
Dog.
That is a, again louder, I cannot hear you.
Dog.
Yes, dog. How will you spell dog? Dog.
Dog.
D O.
G-O-G.
Okay, very good. That is a dog. All right. Okay, that is
Dog.
a dog. How about that?
Dog.
You know what's that? Duck.
Duck.
Duck. Okay, how will you say that? Duck. What is the color of the duck there? What is the color of the duck there? The color of the duck
It's
is
blue. It's yellow. It's
yellow.
white.
Okay, very good. And how will you spell duck? D D
G
U
K.
C K. Okay, good job. Again, that is a duck. All right. How about this one? What's that? Okay, try to look and see. What is that? Pig.
Pig.
Pig. Pig. Pig.
Pig.
Okay, how will you spell the pig? How will you spell the word pig? Spell it. P P I
P-I-G.
pig. Pig. There
Pig.
is a big like that here. Pig. The white one.
Pig.
You can use that. Madali. Pig. P-I-G. Katong thinking tools. P-I-G. Pig. Okay. Oh. Again. Pig.
Pig.
All right. How about this one here? How about the other one? Okay, can you read what word is that? C-O. Oh, good job. Cow. The cow, what is the cow eating? The cow is eating something.
Tree.
What? Oh, tree? Grass. The cow is
Grass.
eating, okay. The cow, can you close? The cow is eating a grass.
It's
Okay.
grass.
Okay. The cow is
The cow
eating
is
a
is
grass. Oh, very good, Hoy. What's the color of the cow? The color of the cow? What's the color? Look at the body of the cow. What's the color that is black and
Pink.
white? Oh, there's
Green.
black,
Red.
black, white, pink,
White.
and pink also. Okay, good job. Wow, very good. How about this? Okay, this time I want you to read this one. Can you read that? Okay, how will you read this? You can read that. My pet is lost. Okay, can you see it? Can you read that? My pet is lost.
Is lost.
My pet is lost. Okay.
My cat is lost.
Pet. 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 Pet.
Cat.
P. P. Pet. Pet. Pet.
Cat.
P. P. Like it. P. P. Look at teacher's map. P. Pet.
P.
My pet is lost.
My cat
Very good.
is
It likes bones. Okay.
is like my soul
And
and
it
is
is very
very
friendly. Very friendly. Very friendly.
very friendly.
Very
Very
friendly.
very friendly.
Very good. So my pet is lost. It likes bones and it is very friendly. You know what animal is that? It's a what's that? It's a very friendly an animal that will eat bones. You know what animal is that? Okay, that is a
Dog.
what's that? That is a
Dog.
dog. Okay, again, what's that? A dog.
Dog.
Okay, very good. How about this one? My pet is lost. The girl's pet also is lost. You know what pet is that? Okay, look at this. My pet
My
is lost.
loves
My pet is lost.
loves
It can
is
see
see
in the
the
dark
dog
and
and
it
is
likes mice.
my
Okay, again. My pet is lost. Okay. My pet is lost. Lost.
loves
Okay. It can see in the dark. Oh, that pet can see in the dark. And it likes to eat mice. What animal is that? It's a... Okay, what do you think is it?
Cat.
A...
cat.
Very good. It's a cat that will eat mice. Okay? Okay, that is a cat. So, do you have any question? Hi. Do you have any question to teacher? You want to ask something to teacher? Do you have any question? Question. Do you have question? No? No question? No question? No. Okay. Thank you so much. Oh, thank you so much for tonight and see you next time. Hi. Bye-bye. Okay. See you next time and good night. Bye-bye. Okay. Bye-bye.